Good morning, girls. Hope everyone is well and safe at home. Class 8, today we are going to discuss London Conference. As you have seen, after the elections of 1945 and 46, Muslim League got a splendid victory. So, after the results of these elections, British government called the selected representatives of the Muslim League to come and join the conference. But the clear plan for the government, it was still a question mark, and Muslims wanted to have the answer of it. But British government, they were not ready to accept any plan. They wanted to make the government on their own terms and conditions. So the negotiations, they got failed, and this caused the failure of the London conference. Now open your books on page 60. Now, after the elections of 1945-46, the British government called a meeting of the new elected Constituent Assembly on December 9, 1946. But the successful candidates of the Muslim League, they refused to attend. Why did they refuse to attend? Because Muslim League demanded that the Congress may first explain the scheme of grouping of provinces and then accept the scheme. However, the Viceroy had convened the meeting of the Constituent Assembly under the Cabinet Mission Plan. Quaid-e-Azam Rahmatullah Alayh had protested over it and blamed that the Viceroy wanted to appease the Congress and declared it a blunder on the part of the government, because at that very time they were going to convene the meeting under the Cabinet Mission Plan. Clear, as we have discussed it before. So Quaid-e-Azam protested against it. He raised a voice against it and blamed that Viceroy, they are just going to facilitate the Congress, to make them happy, and he considered it as the blunder on the part of the government. Meanwhile, Congress demanded from the newly elected Muslim members to resign if they were not ready to attend. Initially, they were not ready to give the plan of their partition regarding provinces, and secondly, they started the demand from the newly elected members to resign if they were not ready to attend the meeting. By this demand, the situation began to deteriorate. It was going to worsen. It was going to be spoiled much more. Thus, the British government convened London Conference in December 1946 and had invited Congress and Muslim League to send their two representatives each to attend the Congress. Negotiations took place among the delegates and the government, but failed. Clear? So this is how the London Conference, it got failed. It had no fruitful result. So you will write a question with it. What was the reason of London Conference failure? What was the reason of London Conference failure? So it will be a sort of a long question. So you will mark its answer from here till this last word, between. Clear? Do it in your copies and take care, girls. Send me your work side by side. Allah Hafiz.